Hey there, chai lovers, Zahidul here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cup of authentic Bangladeshi chai right at home. This isn't your average tea bag in hot water situation. This is the real deal, the kind of tea that fills the room with a warm, spicy aroma and makes you want to just sit back and enjoy. Let's dive right in. First, grab a saucepan and pour in 1.5 cups of water. Turn on the heat and let it come to a gentle simmer. Now, here comes the magic spices. I add 2 green cardamom pods, a little piece of cinnamon stick, and 3 whole cloves. If you like a bit of zing, throw in a small slice of fresh ginger. Give it a minute for the spices to dance in the simmering water. Trust me, your kitchen's gonna smell amazing. Now toss in 2 teaspoons of loose black tea. I always go for a strong Assam or Darjeeling blend. These give you that bold, comforting flavor true Bangla chai is known for. Let it bubble for a minute or two. Next up, add 1 cup of whole milk. If you want it extra creamy, you can even go half and half with milk and evaporated milk. That's my little secret for a rich cafe-style chai. Bring everything to a gentle boil. Watch it. 'Cause chai likes to rise up and surprise you. Lower the heat and let it simmer for 3 minutes. This is when the flavors really come together. If you like your chai sweet, add sugar to taste. I usually go with 2 teaspoons, but you do you. Once your chai is a beautiful deep brown and the aroma is irresistible, strain it into your favorite cup. Take a second to appreciate that creamy layer on top. Bangladeshi chai is all about that creaminess. Now take a sip. You get the warmth of the spices, the depth of the tea, and that sweet milky comfort with every mouthful. It's the perfect way to start your day or wind down after a long one. So there you have it. Authentic Bangladeshi chai made right in your own kitchen. Let me know how yours turned out, and if you have any family twists or secret spices, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to share this with your fellow tea lovers and subscribe for more home style recipes from my kitchen to yours. Enjoy your chai, and I'll see you next time.